Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to change your passcode on Dropbox. Whether you want to update your security or just prefer a new code, this quick guide will help you do it easily and safely. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the settings. Once the app is open, head straight to the settings menu. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon or the gear icon, depending on your device and app version. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Configure Passcode. This is where you manage your current lock screen passcode. Tap on it to open the passcode options. Next, you'll see an option to change passcode. Go ahead and select that. At this point, Dropbox will ask you to confirm your identity by entering your old passcode. This is an important security step to make sure that only you can change your passcode. After entering your old passcode, it's time to choose a new one. Make sure this new passcode is something you can remember, but also something secure enough to protect your files and personal data. Type in your new passcode and then enter it again to confirm. This double entry helps avoid any mistakes. Once confirmed, your new passcode is set, and Dropbox will immediately start using this to lock your app. From now on, every time you open Dropbox, you'll need to enter the updated passcode. Changing your passcode regularly is a great habit to keep your information secure, especially if you frequently use cloud storage for important files. And, with Dropbox's simple settings, it only takes a few moments to update. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to change your passcode on Dropbox quickly and securely. Thanks for watching.